Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to create to-do checklist in Swag. Let's start by navigating to our space. Here I am, this is my space, Marinsky. So I go to the editor area and I click on the white ink boat icon, which is the shortcut icon. Below the Swag section I see create a post. This is the way we're going to create the checklist. I click on the create a post. And I'm going to create a to-do checklist post in Swag. So let's start by entering the name of the checklist. My checklist will be search engine optimization to-do list. So I'm going to write SEO checklist. Now I enter the body section of the checklist. Before I start, I would like to show you the technique I'm going to use. At the top right section of the post, there is a 3-dot icon, which is more options and keyboard shortcuts, and here you can see some quick formatting shortcuts. I scroll down a little bit until I see the checklist. Here it is, the checklist section, and I see that with the left and right brackets and the space I'm going to create a checklist. So I return to the body of my post, I click the left bracket, the right bracket, and then I click space, and now you see that there is a checkbox which by default is unchecked. So my first check will be install Google Search Console. I click enter. My second check will be install Google Analytics, and my third checkbox will be install Bing Webmaster Tools. Once I'm ready, I click on the share button at the top right section and I choose where to share this checklist. I can either share the checklist in my personal space, or I can choose a channel. I will choose the search engine optimization channel that I have on my Swag. So I click on the SEO and I click share. Before I click share, there are a couple of options available here. If I click let others edit this post, I will make this checklist available for other users to edit. I will check this because usually when you work on different channels on Swag, there are a couple of users which participate in this channel. So for example, I would like to share the checklist for the search engine optimization with my search engine optimization specialist, and I would like to allow him, to mark the checks as done or not done. So I click let others edit this post and then I click share. Post is shared in SEO, click done editing, and I can close the checklist. When I go to the search engine optimization channel, you see the checklist is here. I cannot do nothing right now if I click here straight in the checklist, but if I click on the edit in new window, I can open the checklist. I can mark the things which are done like this, and then done editing. I close the checklist and you see now that this bullet is marked as done. I will do the same with the Bing Webmaster Tools, for example. Let's do this, but I will unmark the Google Analytics. I click done editing, I close the post, and here it is. This is a simple way to create a to-do checklist in Swag without using a third-party app. Thank you, subscribe to my channel for more similar videos. Bye bye.